Hi, I'm Rain from ITE College West. I'm a Year 1 student in Asian Culinary Arts.
Hi, I'm Elfie. I'm a Year 1 student in Asian Culinary Arts.
So it was on a Saturday, and it was just my deputy director, Mr. Tay, just texted us and say, "Hey guys, have you all heard of this and whatsoever?" And then it intrigues yourself, what is this all about? And then that's how we reached out to AH as well. And after we reached out to AH, I think there was a lot of elements that students actually need to understand this kind of scope, which is not it's not seen every day though. And I thought that would be good. And I think the kids, when you guys came and do the demonstration, and all the kids really enjoyed it. And most importantly, I think they give back to society, and at the same time they understand that there is this kind of situation that's facing outside.
Because just last year we just started this small pilot project next to Alexandra Hospital, where we reached out to the hawkers and we wanted to help our patients who are transitioning out from inpatient care to the community to have access to food that they love. And so we reached out to hawkers, and then when ITE got news of it and contacted us at AH, we were so excited and so happy, because this was a group that we never actually thought about, and them coming on board, I think not only there is these ideas being passed down, and also for us as speech therapists, we want to spread awareness about dysphagia and reaching the next generation of students. I think that's really impactful.
First off, cooking is enjoyable for me. It's a lot of passion, and I have a lot of passion in doing it. And also cooking about bubur lembak. The thing about the dish, right, is where I learned how to cook where old people is easier to digest, which is also a good thing, where if I want to cook it for my grandparents, maybe when my parents get older, then after that the holy month of Ramadan, when it comes, I can help them cook. I can make them proud, and it makes me happy when I see them eat my food and enjoy it. So it's very enjoyable and very happy to learn this dish.
I also agree with Elfie that cooking itself is very enjoyable. Throughout learning how to do this dish, I sort of understood the difficulties the elderly has.
For me, the benefits for the students in general is about understanding what our community needs. And I think as we all grow older in general, we all will require certain dietary restrictions.
For us at the hospital, we always are thinking of the patients when they discharge from us. So sometimes we wonder, auntie, can she find something similar? Can auntie's helper not give her just minced porridge every day? What are some alternatives out there? And I think ITE has very generously come on board to share with us how different recipes can actually come about. And not only are these modified foods safe for patients, but they are also nutritious, and they are also flavourful and tasty. I think that's really the crux of it.
I think yam is a popular dessert ingredient. We steam the yam, then after that we blend it with other ingredients like coconut water, fresh milk, pandan juice, and coconut jelly, which enhance the flavour of the dish also. And then after that we make it finer by straining it.
Very easy to cook in high quantity, so you can cook it for your whole family. Some of the processes that I help to make the dish more simpler to eat is by blending even longer, so you can make it to a finer paste. And vegetable, we use carrots. We cut it in a really fine cube or really fine chop, where it's much easier to digest, much easier to chew. And the flavors, we just add the typical Malay type of spices like star anise and cinnamon, pandan leaf for aroma,
ITE has really brought to the table is really this really well-plated and well-thought-out food that is not only safe for swallowing but also tasty. So that's something that I really want to thank ITE, and I think going forward we definitely will include this in our caregiver training so that when our patients come with us at AH, we can offer them these alternatives when they are going to discharge.